Hello, beautiful people of the world. So I've had a lot of fun building this. Here in Houston, we had some squalls of rain blow in, but I'm excited to be here, and I'm going to go over how to deploy a website on Netlify. We're going to go over two methods, and in the notes section, I'm going to list out all of the steps. So check out my YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. So starting off, you're going to create an account with Netlify. And then you're going to click login. So far, the Netlify experience has been great. So what I'm going to do here is I've created a couple. I'm going to delete them really quick, so we can start off with a clean slate. And you just copy and paste and then delete. We're going to do it again with this one. So I'm going to show you how to use the drag and drop method, and also through Visual Studio Code use the CLI that Netlify provides. We have a clean slate, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag over the website folder, and it's named Responsive Hamburger, and Netlify app generates a URL. Looks great. So I have the source code in a link below. Open it up, download it, and yeah, play around. Add some content on the bottom or mess around with the navigation. Okay, so the next method is using Visual Studio Code. This is the index.html. We are going to click up on, I have all of the files within the Responsive Hamburger folder, and everything's linked up. And what I'm going to do is click on the terminal. So within the terminal, I'm going to type npm install netlify-cli G, and this is going to take a while to upload. So what I'm going to do is just browse through the index.html, and we'll look over a little bit of the CSS. I had a lot of fun creating the circle expanding navigation. Let me know what type of navigations you guys design. Please submit. Okay, we're almost done here. Success. All right, so the next step is checking the Netlify version, and we have the version, it's 2.58.0. That's to verify that it was installed. Now we are going to type Netlify status, and this is going to give you your Netlify account. And if you're not hooked up, please type Netlify login in the command. So I cleared everything to give us some space. Now we're going to deploy. So Netlify deploy. And you use the arrow keys. So go down. We are going to create and configure a new site. It's going to be the team that we are signed up with. And then site name, I'm going to have it be resp hamburger. So this is the public directory, the root directory, and we are just going to leave it the same for now. You can change it if you'd like. So this is our website draft URL, and we are going to open it up. Wow. Everything's working. It's very bright. We're going to inspect it. Cool. Looks pretty good. So this is great for marketing and testing purposes. Now to roll out the production version, we're going to type Netlify Deploy prod. And we're going to have it be in the root directory. If you guys want me to make a video on how to change that, let me know in the comments. Okay, so we have the website URL. We're going to click on it, open it up. There it is. Thank you, Netlify. This is great. I appreciate it so much. Please comment and subscribe. Thank you.